I'm doing awesome. Hey, I
What's
just turned
up?
on recording. Are you okay with
Okay.
that?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
add this to your journey. You look
Awesome.
so let me tell you what happened.
What's up?
So I was just on my I rarely get on my personal Facebook.
Yeah.
I have the business one, but my personal Facebook, I maybe check it once a year or
Yeah.
twice a year. Like I'm
Yeah.
not on there.
My
And then it
husband's on
goes,
mine more than I am. Yeah.
pardon?
My husband like lurks on mine
Oh,
too.
okay.
Yeah. And
So
I'm not on there much.
So I was on there, and then it was like, you may know, kind of like,
Yes. Yes.
that
Yes.
kind of
I've
thing.
seen
And
those.
I'm like,
Absolutely.
so I didn't even see the name. I was like, man, she looks so familiar. Okay. And then I saw
Thank
the name. I was
you.
like, God damn.
I cut her face open in
Yeah.
January.
So we know each other intimately.
Yes, I know. Yeah, you know a lot about my face.
Yeah. How
You
you
shouldn't
doing?
forget. I'm good. I'm awesome. Yeah, I
You
feel
look
great.
freaking fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you. It's
One of the problems, Tina, in what I do is okay, so what happens is after I operated on you,
Yep.
I remember you very clearly for 2 or 3 months. And
Yep.
then, there's only enough hardware, hard drive space in there. And then there's the next set that I've got to worry about, right?
Yes, of
Then out
course,
of
of
so
course.
I just don't put everything together. And then all of a sudden,
Yeah.
it's like blast. I feel like I'm meeting a family member that I haven't met in
Yes.
in a while.
Reunion time.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
How,
awesome.
how's life? How's your
It's
husband?
great. He's awesome. He's great. We sent one kid to college and now yeah, I mean it's been weird, but good. Yeah. Things have been good. Like since I had my surgery with you, like I mean, the recovery and healing was great. Like, but every day it almost gets better. It's weird. Like, I
You
don't
look
know.
so much softer now,
Yeah, well,
because
that was my goal, right? Like feminine. I wanted to
well,
be
not
more
just
feminine.
that, but not
Yeah.
immediately post-op, you could
Yeah.
see kind of the result in terms of definition.
You
You
could. I
saw
couldn't.
the jawline, you
Oh
saw
yeah,
that kind
for
of stuff,
sure.
right?
Yes.
But you still looked a little harsh,
Yes.
right? Because things
Yeah.
were still swollen. Now
Yeah.
it looks like it's just soft. It's for me,
Yeah.
it's super cool. I mean, I'm just like,
I bet that is. I mean, I live with myself, so now like we're used to me, but like not seeing you for a while, that must be really cool because you made me look so much younger.
dude,
Like,
hold on. I got
yeah,
to show you something. Give me a moment, because
yeah.
as since you sent me your photos, I was doing something. I was creating a little video about you, explaining kind of what I'm doing. Hold on.
Yeah,
I
no
wanted to
problem.
show you two pictures.
Oh God. I don't want to see. Ugh. I mean, I guess, it was me.
Who
Oh
is this
God.
person?
I know. That's a sad, tired person.
Who is this person?
God, look at that. That is horrible. I
Wait,
mean,
wait,
listen. I mean,
hold on. It gets
jeez.
better.
Oh
Give
my
me a moment.
God. Oh my God.
Oh, it gets so much
It
better.
makes me grab my jowls in
No,
like
no,
horror
no.
that I don't even have anymore.
Look
But
at this. I was going through this. I forgot this human.
that doesn't look like me at all. It's
Wait,
so
hold
weird.
on. Can you see that?
Oh Lord, that's so scary to me. You know,
Like,
it's funny. I didn't feel bad. I didn't feel that bad.
I
Like, I don't
know.
know. I felt great. Like, I was like happy. Isn't that
Nobody
weird?
ever remembers that. So there was this
Yeah.
lady I just did. So, okay, so I got to tell you, this is
Yeah.
super hilarious, right? So I do all these journeys, and all the patients, okay, they remember certain people. Okay.
Yes.
So Tina is famous. Okay. They don't know who
Me?
Tina is. That,
Oh,
yeah,
oh,
you're
oh.
Tina.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, I
Tina's
am.
famous. They're like, so this lady who I operated on last week, she's from New Mexico.
Okay.
Okay. So, same kind of style surgery. She comes in the day before. We do the whole
Yeah.
shindig, the
Yep.
consult, the pre-op, everything. She has surgery. Surgery was a breeze. Okay, like
Okay.
she rocked it. Okay, like
That's
all you
awesome.
chicks, like you guys pop out a couple
Yeah.
babies, you guys are like, this is nothing.
It's shocking.
Okay, so then like 3 days post-op, right? I record a video of her.
Hmm.
Okay, so I record her video, and she's like, well, if I'm going to talk to everybody on Earth, I just want to tell them it's not as easy as I thought it was. It's a little tougher. Like I thought those, blah, blah, blah. Wait, 6 days post-op. It was the easiest thing in the world. It's
Yep.
like there's like this little key
It's
thing
so
that just like
weird.
click, click. And then
Yeah.
so this was the same day that you sent your picture in. So I was
Yeah.
showing her because she was like, okay, I still have this. And I was like, yeah, it's going away. I was like, I want to show you 9 months. And she's like, oh, that's Tina. And I
Oh,
was
that's
like,
hilarious. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's good.
yeah,
That's good. Yeah, I've changed since the last update for sure, in a good way.
dude, you look
Yeah.
amazing.
I mean, like my first thing, like my eyes were always like my favorite, but other things have become my favorite. Like lots of different things.
You know
So
what my favorite is?
what's that?
Your cheeks.
Yeah. Oh gosh, I have cheeks.
You
Yeah,
have
for sure.
cheeks, the cheek jaw, like proportion thing.
Yeah.
It looks
Yeah.
hot, dude.
That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah,
No, I mean, and listen, I certainly didn't have any definition before. It's crazy.
you
You know,
look.
I tell everyone that I had this done, and I think my honesty scares people, but it's why wouldn't I share this? Like people know what I looked like before. Like I look different.
It's so. I find that so the lady today, or that I was talking to today, that I did last week, she was very reluctant initially
Yeah.
to record a journey. Okay,
Yeah.
she was like, I don't know, I don't know if I want everybody to know. Then after everything's done, she's like, you know what? I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
I mean, she was just
I'm
like.
proud of it. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
she's like
yeah.
she's gonna be 60, I think. And
Wow, that's
she's
great.
like, hey, this is who I am, I
Yeah.
mean, I'm just this is me. And
It's
I look
awesome.
amazing. So I mean it's very like more than the surgery, like to see you guys transform, like it's
Yeah.
just like there's like you were always kind of a pretty upbeat chick. Like you're like the life of the party.
Yeah.
That was like that's Tina's always the life of the party, right?
It's
But there's
funny.
some people who are very quiet,
Yeah.
very just like
Mhm.
reserved, and to
Yeah.
watch them change is
Yeah.
so cool.
Yes. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
How's
have an
work?
awesome job. I mean, you're did you ask me something? I'm sorry.
No, no, keep going. Sorry.
Oh no, I just it's funny. People ask me, "You really were awake for this thing?" And I said, "Hell yeah." Like I was we just did it. I mean, I complained about the light in my eye. That was like the only thing I really complained about. And I know
Yeah.
I wasn't, but it was I said I would do it again. I would do it again and again. Like it was amazing. And I wasn't lying even at the time when I looked like crap and I was saying that I was okay and that it was, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
I wasn't lying. I, you know,
It's still, I
very
mean,
cool.
one of my patients asked me if I would do it, like
Yeah.
hypothetically, if the roles were reversed.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know what? That's a great question. First of all, seeing the results, absolutely.
Okay.
But I'm going to tell you, is there a little bit of fear on my side of like going through the whole thing under
Yeah.
local? Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
little. I'll be
Yeah.
brutally
Sure.
honest, but having done this so many
Yeah.
times,
Yeah.
like I mean, I'm telling you, when I you remember when I had your consultation, I said chicks are built different, dude. They just
Yes.
really
Yes.
are.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it was great.
I'm
I
sure I'm going
was
to get
grateful.
hate mail when I publish this and they go, "Did you really just say chicks are built different?" And I'm like, "Yeah." But in today's
They
world, I
don't know
have to be
you
very
yet.
careful about how I say things, but I'm just like,
No.
"This is me."
I
Okay? I
know.
mean,
That's what makes you awesome.
you know.
It was funny the other day or whenever on Friday, I think I was working, I was out of town and I was with somebody from work and I was like, oh yeah, just my surgeon was just texting me or whatever, we need to touch base next week. It's like, what? They're like, what? What are you talking about? Like your surgeon actually like reached out. I was like, all the time. Like
Yeah, this is how
that's
it is.
that's the relationship he has with his patients.
This is how it's supposed to
Yeah,
be.
that's good.
Um,
Absolutely.
I I know you're busy at work, and I really appreciate you taking the time to give me a little follow-up because I don't
Absolutely.
usually get a chance to like I was actually, I'll tell you something, I was planning on coming to Florida in October for
Yep.
a conference, but then that got
Hmm.
changed
Okay.
and I am heading to Dubai instead. I'm teaching in Dubai.
Ooh,
Yeah, but
wonderful.
when I was heading to Florida because it was in Miami,
Yes.
I was about like a week out. I was like, I'm gonna call her and see if
Oh
like,
yeah,
hey,
I'd
I'd
come
show
down to
up for
meet you.
coffee.
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely.
Yeah.
That would be great. Well,
Yeah.
next time I think we have to come by and see you. And we've talked about coming down to see you again for a reunion. We just
Yeah.
thought you'd be moved. Are you moved yet?
So hopefully next week. So
Okay. Okay.
we're getting really
Yeah.
close. I
Yeah.
just took the girls this past Thursday to the
Awesome.
site so they could like see their new house.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's kind of it's getting there. The excitement level
Wow.
is kind of building.
It's a long process. I mean, it's a big move.
It's,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm running ragged. I really
Yeah.
like, I had to get some labs drawn on me. And so I had gotten the little notification from LabCorp, like, hey, yo,
Yep.
you know, I
Yeah.
forgot
Order.
about it. Then I was like, oh, I reschedule. I got a note today. My nurse texted me and going, hey, so I see you haven't done your labs. Would you like to come into the office so that we could draw your labs? I'm like, oh, dude, I'm so sorry.
Yep.
I am like a
The
horrible
worst patient, right?
patient, you know,
Yep.
but I'm just
Yep.
like running
Yeah. You got a lot going
52,000
on.
things. Yeah.
You know what, though? I've talked to a few people who have considered the procedures and stuff, and that's been pretty cool. And I think a couple of them went through with it, and like some of them a couple of them texted me in the airport when they were coming. It was really cool that they were
It's
coming to
so,
see.
it's so, we had another set of patients kind of similar to you.
Yep.
And what was so interesting is, so patient A and patient B had been communicating through this
Yep.
thing. It's like the dark web
Yes.
of facelift surgery, right? It's like
Yes.
ATHRÉ's dark web. And they
Yeah.
had never actually met each other.
Oh
They had
wow,
just
that's
been, but
crazy.
they had surgery like 2 days apart. So they ran into each other
Of
doing their
course. Yeah.
post-op care. And they're like,
Yeah. They're like best
you're
friends.
such a, and they both
Yeah.
had pseudonyms. And they're like,
Oh,
so you're so and so. They're like, and you're so and so.
that's
It was
hilarious.
hilarious. It
That's
was
so
funny.
funny. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, well, it's a sorority
Yeah,
of
it's like the
sorts.
dark web, dude. It's
Yeah,
totally dark web-esque.
it's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. I'm glad
No,
we got
thank
to check
you.
in.
It was awesome. And you
No,
know,
thank
it was
you.
very coinkydink that I just like literally was like, you know, let
That's
me check and
hilarious.
see that there's no like weird messages that I need to deal with. And
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, this
Wait
person
a
looks
minute.
familiar.
Yes, it was me. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah,
That's
it was
so
awesome.
cool.
It's totally
Yeah, I
cool.
would have checked in with you soon, though. I mean, it's time
Well,
for
you
us
know
to
where to
come.
find me.
I know.
You
We
know,
were gonna wait till you moved.
yeah, yeah,
So
but still in Houston. So I mean,
yeah,
just go
yeah, for
online.
sure.
You know where to find me.
Yeah,
But the only thing is, if you see me on the front page that
yeah.
says that he won Powerball, you'll have to come down to Mexico
Hey,
because
listen,
you know. And we're gonna have. I want
easy.
a barnuminium on the beach
Oh
where
my
I can
God,
just like operate and look at the ocean, and patients
that
can
would be
camp out and
amazing.
just like yeah, that's the master plan one day.
That sounds good. Well, you can't stop doing what you do, though.
I can't because
No,
I wouldn't know what to do with my time.
no,
Like
you
the
can't.
world can only like tolerate me for a certain amount of time on a daily or annual basis. And if I had
No,
too much free time, that would be
we
like,
need you to
whoa.
keep doing this. And I see all the cool stuff you're doing, and I'm just like, oh, I want to do it again. Like I will do it again someday. But like, I mean, the amount of cool things you're doing, even now, like even in the short period of time that I
It's
haven't
getting
been
kind
on,
of cray cray,
it's
isn't it?
awesome. No, it's awesome. It's so
Yeah.
good.
It's
So
like
good.
cool cray cray. I
It
like
is
it.
so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you keep reinventing yourself and
It's not
what you're doing.
it's not a question of reinventing it. I think that, you know, if you just say this is the way I do it, you become stagnant,
Of course,
right?
innovative. You're innovative is what I probably should have said.
Yeah, you have to
Yeah,
keep pushing that envelope more and
for
more and more
sure.
and more.
Yeah.
Because like I looked at your photos, I was just pulling them up. I got you looking pretty cool by about day 9 to 10 after surgery.
Yep. I flew
Since
home and
your
I loved
time,
it.
I've pushed that to now day 7.
Wow. That's
Now, I
awesome.
really want to get to the point where I can do that in 3 days. That's the
Wow.
goal. Like you have surgery on Thursday and you can
Yeah.
wear makeup and be at work on Monday. That's the
Well, I
goal.
was fitted for makeup and I didn't, I, you know, When I left, I flew home on day, I think 10, but
10. Yeah.
yeah, it was great.
I want to
Yeah.
get it to day 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
Oh,
the master goal. So we're
wow.
getting there.
Okay. Well, I'll see you before I would do it. I'll do it. I need it again.
Yeah, I'll still be around here. More
Yeah.
gray
We
hair
better.
probably, but other than
Okay.
that, we'll still be
Yeah.
here doing it the
Hey,
same
that's
way.
good. That sounds good.
Thanks,
And my
Tina.
eyes were closing at night. I like everything, you know what I'm saying? Like all
Yeah.
the things that that I may have.
How's the dry eye? You had some
Yeah,
dry
yeah,
eye
yeah.
issues.
So like I said, I think it's just over time I'm things are better. Like I sometimes use Lumify just randomly, but yeah, no,
All
things
gone.
are good.
Cool. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
really good.
Love it. I love it.
Yes,
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day.
thank you.
And it's awesome because I always get these little things like, hey, do you have an update on so and so? And now I
Yeah.
do. So it's
Well,
kind of
and
cool.
I bet it's really awesome it would be awesome as a consumer to see like the later picks because the
Yeah,
early ones are good, but it gets better.
it gets better.
It gets
Yeah,
better.
it gets
Yeah.
super cool.
Well, thank
You
you,
made
Doc.
my
I
day,
appreciate
dear.
you. No, you
You made my day.
you make my day every day.
Well,
Just
thank
looking
you.
in the mirror. Thank you. I appreciate you so
No, thank
much.
you. And give your husband, and by the way, I'm wearing the socks that you gave me.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I'm actually
I'll
wearing the
have to.
socks.
Oh my
And
gosh,
you got
that's
to tell
great.
your husband I said hi.
I will. And tell the girls hello. All the ladies
I
in the
will.
office.
I
Barbara and the
will.
gang.
I definitely
Rosa.
will. Love you
Okay.
so
Take
much from
care.
this side.
Yeah. Take care.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.